Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. Non-phone work seems to be the most requested and most sought after, so that is what we have today. Another non-phone work from home job lead. Real quick, if you're new here, my name's Lindsay. I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home jobs and bringing them to you on a daily basis, so make sure those notifications are on so you never miss an upload from me, and make sure if you find something that you are really interested in that you get those applications in. Some of these jobs fill up very quickly, but let's just dive on in. Today we have the company Atomic hiring a member experience coordinator. Now, not every member experience coordinator customer service rep has to be phone related, and this one definitely isn't. So they hire for multiple different companies and contract roles, but this position specifically is hiring for Found, which is a modern weight care platform and community-based platform. They say Americans have gained an average of 30 pounds during the pandemic, and the weight loss industry is focusing on shame right now if you don't have the willpower to eat less and work out more. So this app and company helps people with their workouts, with their health. And so they are hiring someone to answer incoming emails, text, and chats from customers and document relevant information as needed. You need to be able to identify customer issues, resolve them in a timely manner, and create that feedback loop between the customers, their health coaches, and the customer support team that helps with the customer experience. So you'll document using their standard operating procedures and maintain a positive attitude while engaging with the customers. This is full-time or part-time. Either one. If you're only looking for part-time, great. If you want to work 40 hours a week, great. They have options for both, and it is paying approximately $18 an hour. It also says down here with the benefits that not only do they provide competitive compensation, medical, dental, and life insurance, and paid time off, it says they have a flexible remote first work culture. So you can have kind of a flexible schedule along with part-time or full-time. It appears both part-time and full-time pay the $18 an hour. They do not require a college degree or anything. They are looking for someone who is organized and detailed, someone who can multitask, someone who is comfortable working through with resistant customers, someone who has strong communication skills, writing, typing, phone, someone who has a growth mindset and is open to feedback. I just want to note too, it says they're focused on building a diverse and inclusive workforce. So if you're excited about this role, but you don't meet 100% of the qualifications, that's okay. They still encourage you to apply. So if you're interested at all and have any kind of skills such as being organized, detail-oriented, I would definitely get those applications in. Now, one thing that I want to note about this position is it just says remote. It does not specify if it's in the United States or international. You would have to ask them because it looks like the benefits and everything is listed and the pay is listed in United States dollars. I'm going to assume that it's a possibility. This is for my United States only folks. There are no state restrictions listed, but again, it's not listed. I don't work for these companies, so I don't have any additional information. You would have to ask them and reach out to them to find out for sure. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.